In fact, a buried provision in the 2021 infrastructure bill is forcing every new passenger vehicle sold in America to include an automatic car kill switch, starting with 2026 to 27 models. Republican Thomas Massie has been fighting this Orwellian mandate tooth and nail, calling it exactly what it is: a dangerous government overreach that turns your car into a surveillance device with the power to judge, limit, or completely shut down your vehicle without your consent. What do you guys think about this? I think this is crazy. When I first heard about this, I said there's no freaking way. And sure enough, I did some research and it's true. Under Section 24220 of the Infrastructure Investment and Jobs Act, I don't know what the fuck that has to do with turning my car off. Anyways, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration must require advanced impaired driving prevention technology in all new cars. This passive system monitors your driving behavior in real time, eye movements, steering, lane position, and more, and can prevent or limit vehicle operation if it thinks you are impaired. You don't need a warrant, you don't need an appeal, you just get your car disabled. Massie and allies like Republicans Scott Perry and Chip Roy have included the No Kill Switches in Cars Act. It is Act number 1137 and multiple defunding amendments, but Congress, including many Republicans as well, have repeatedly blocked their efforts. In January 2026, Massey's amendment failed, keeping this mandate alive despite the other people that are for this mandate admitting the technology isn't even ready yet, and kind of just false positives that could go on with this, and it could leave millions of people stranded. Innocent drivers, it could leave them stranded. It should terrify you. This should terrify every driver. It's a massive privacy invasion, constant monitoring of your every move behind the wheel. You've got to be kidding me. There are false positives that could disable your car during bad weather, medical issues, or invasive maneuvers. You could be having a serious medical issue. You could be taking your wife to the hospital because she is going into labor, and your car would shut down. Oops. I see a couple lawsuits happening